This is the robot we've been working on putting together in class for about the last 4 weeks. So we started with just a robot that only drove, and from there we started adding things. Like then we went and played with code to try to make it drive better, draw certain shapes. Then we built this sensor that you can see here in the back and also up front. What this is a line tracking sensor, and it will actually track this black line on the table. And we built that completely from components and learned how it works, why it works, all the electronic stuff behind it. Then we've done a lot of programming. This is the controller up here, you can hardly see, but we've done a lot of programming with controls, and there's a potentiometer here that gives the position of the arm as it goes up and down. So a lot of pretty advanced programming and stuff to get this thing to go. So what it's actually going to do is there's a complete track here that I'll point out in a minute and talk about. And then it's going to follow this around the track. Well, first it's going to pick up the payload, follow the track, set it down in the safe zone, keep going on to a safe parking zone, and then it'll stop. And the idea is to get it to do that the fastest possible. The group who does that the fastest possible will get first choice for extra sensors and motors and all that for the final project, which we start next week sometime. So yeah, I'll show you what it does now. Okay, so here's the course in the background. I'm going to try to walk through it real quick. See here the robot, this is where I showed you, it's on the start line before. It starts in this position. What's actually going to happen is it's going to pick this up, this payload here, has to raise it above this ring, carry it. It's then going to track this line around the course, and when it senses this double line, it'll stop, lower the payload, which has to be within this box. That's the dump zone. So it'll drop it in there, it'll continue driving up around this way, and it'll put the final stop here. So I'll start it and hopefully it'll do it right. That whole thing takes about 16 or 17 seconds right now, which is pretty fast.